Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Freelancer video not exporting 2026. There can be several common reasons. Large file size or long duration. Very big videos may fail or take too long to process. Browser or app issues. Outdated versions, bugs, or corrupted cache can interrupt export. Internet connection problems. Slow or unstable internet can cause export to fail or stop. Server or processing delays. Temporary backend issues or high traffic can delay or block exporting. Unsupported format or settings. Incorrect video format, codec, or export configuration can cause errors. Low device resources. Insufficient RAM, storage, or CPU can prevent successful export. Permission or session issues. Expired login sessions or restricted access can interrupt the process. If the problem continues, try reducing file size, refreshing the page, clearing cache, updating your browser, or contacting Freelancer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!